Very good. Wow, that was awesome, buddy. Very awesome today. Very, very good. Same thing for this ear, okay? Good, good listening. Oral still. Okay, buddy. Awesome job.
Ticket.
Another ticket. Holy smokes, you're a smart boy. Can you stand up for me? And I'm going to put you over here for a sec. There you go. Can you sit right there? Awesome job. And I'm going to get some pictures out for you. Oh, I need you to sit down though. Alrighty. Okay. I'm going to park the car over here for a minute because we're going to play a game with some cards here first, okay? Okay, listen, listen, listen. Uh-oh, where's the picture of the snowman? Point to the snowman, please. That is right. Where's the popcorn? Thank you. Where's school bus? Very good. Where's ice cream? Good. Chocolate, you're right. Where's the hot dog? Thank you. That was a hard one. Where's the fire truck? Very good. That's perfect. Now I'll tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to put these silly... Oh, can you look at me, buddy? I'm going to put these silly headphones on you. They're like a little hat. Mom's going to stay here, and I'm going to go all the way on the other side of the window, and I'm going to have you point to those pictures again for me, okay?
She's flying.
Yes, you're right. I did go back and forth, didn't I? You're a very, very good listener, and that was awesome.
It's going there, and then it's going there.
I know it's so silly, isn't it? Okay, now we're going to play a different game. Let me get all these things out. There we go. And I'll show you how this works now, okay? There we go. Yeah, we're going to make some towers.
Oh, towers, Michael.
You're doing super excellent, by the way. All right. Zoop. All right. Ooh, that's a silly one, isn't it? All right. I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to play a listening game with those. It's a different set of headphones.
Not headphones.
More headphones, right?
Color red and then color blue.
That's right. They are red and blue. tell you what we're going to do, though. I'm going to put these on the table for a minute so we can practice a little bit, okay? Let me show you how this is going to work. Oh, wait, my turn. Let's put it right here is where we're going to start it, okay? So I'll tell you what we're going to do. Can you put it, nope, put it by your ear. Look at me. You have to look at me. Put it up by your ear. Good job. Excellent. We're going to listen for a silly sound. Are you ready? Listen. There's the sound. Can you put it on top of the tower? Very good. Let's try again. Remember, beep. Then we put it on the tower. Ready? You're right. There it is. Let's try another one. Ready? Oh, that's okay. Let's get another one. Or you want to get it? Okay. You put it by your ear for me? Thank you. Listen again. You can do it all by yourself this time. Then you have to put it on the tower, right?
Whoa.
Very good. Okay, now we're going to try that with the special headphones on. So when you hear the sound, put it on the tower, okay? Let's make this a little bit smaller. Let's try these. Whoopsie. Oh. Okay, can you put one by your ear? Oops. You can't get it now. I got the headphones on. Here, we'll let it go. We'll get it later. Here you go. Nope. Look at here, buddy. We'll get it later, okay? I know, it's going to be under the table. Get ready to listen. Get ready to listen. Remember, you have to listen for the sound. Beep. Then put it in the tower, okay? Oh, you got to wait for the sound.
I'll wait for the sound.
Listen for sound. Then in it goes. Are you ready? It's going to be a small sound. Here we go. Are you listening? Well, I know you can hear that. Are you hearing any beeps? Hey, buddy. Your eyes are all over the place. Look at me. Look at me. Are you hearing any beeps? Remember? Beep. In it goes. Remember? Let's try again, okay? I'm going to help you on this one. Look at me. There it is. Did you hear a beep? You try this time. When you hear it, put it on top, okay? And then we'll start a new tower. Ready? Okay. Are you hearing the beeps? I think you are, but you're just not doing anything, huh? Remember, listen, beep, then put it on the tower. Nope, gotta hear the beep first. Beep in your ear, and then in the tower. Let's try again. Nope, you gotta be quiet. Remember, just like we had it down here. Makes me nervous. Nope, the tone's there. Yeah, you have to listen and put the sounds in just like we practiced, remember? Beep, then put the sound in. I don't think he's got this part. Let's try again. I think he just, maybe with the headphones on, it's bugging him. You ready? I don't think we got this quite down, do we? Okay, let's try something else. Good try, though, buddy. Let's put these out here. Oops, I'm sorry. Those are flying out, aren't they? Okay, let's see. He's close on getting that, but not quite. I think when he was practicing, he was just watching my hand a lot, or my face doing it. And that's why he couldn't do it himself when he started doing it by himself. So that
He
part,
cannot follow the instruction.
he just didn't do it. He just wasn't able to get that. When you hear that tiny beep, you have to put the block, that package in. So he's not shy. That was just, he just wasn't able to do the procedure. So he'll for sure have to come back for that. The first thing that we did is that tympanogram test, and that's the one that checks the middle ear. And that test lets us know if there's ear infections or fluid, and those are perfectly normal. So no problem with the middle ear.
Good.
Wow, look at you, buddy. You want to do the rest of these? Want to take them apart? That part was good. Then we went ahead and did that cool test that's over there that he has to sit for. And what that does is it checks the hearing from 1500 all the way through 8000. So all those consonant sounds. And there he passed for both ears on those. Good. So those are good scores. So we know that that's also functional. He also was able to do that pointing to the pictures. He did an outstanding job on that. Very, very good.
Yeah, that's his favorite game.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
And those sounds, that particular test, he did 10 and 5, which is very tiny whisper.
Yeah.
And he still was able to listen to those. So that lets us know that for middle of these pitch tones, he's able to respond well to. So everything that we got today is normal. We just didn't get everything that we wanted. So, but I think we could wait probably 4 or 5 months before we check him again. He'll be a little bit older, and he'll be able to do that other test a little better.
Yeah, follow the instructions.
Yeah, that was very, very good. So I'm going to have you come back another day in a few months, and we'll try this game again, okay? Good listening. Nice job. And I'll make sure that the team knows that, too, that he did a good job with those here, too. Excellent. You are all finished. Should we get going? I heard you're going somewhere. Are you going somewhere after this?
No. In the house.
You're going to the house?
The brother is waiting.
Oh, then let's get going there,
The
buddy.
other
That was
one.
very good.